Hi guys, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day writing these 5 types of blog posts on your affiliate marketing website. If you don't know, this video is actually a part of a free affiliate video training series that I put together for my blog visitors, and you can also sign up to get the rest of the series by just going to workanywherenow.com, and then you can sign up right there to get the rest of the training series. There's like a few videos in the series, so I hope you'll learn with me and start your affiliate site. Now let's get into the 5 types of blog posts that will really drive traffic to your website. Also, be sure to stick around to the end of the video because I am going to share a special tool that will give you tons of blog post ideas, and hopefully you will never run out, okay, with this one tool. So be sure to stick around to the end. All right, here, let's get started. So this is actually video 3 in the video training series I have. This is the types of blog posts in this video. All right, the first type is lists, okay? You want to start doing lists for your blog posts because lists are great for readers because they could just scan real quick down the section what those things are, what your list is about. So this is a great way and attracts a lot of sharing actually when you have list type posts. So for example, all my examples gonna go around the coffee machine niche, okay? Because I kind of started the series with this niche, so I'm just gonna keep going with that example. So for lists, you can see here top 10 coffee machines or 3 ways to make cold brew coffee, 7 reasons why cold brew is better. These are just very easy examples of using list type blogs for your site. The next type, number 2 type, is best of posts. People love knowing what is the best of something, right? And so that's what they search, best something, right? And that's what you want to write about. You want to write about the things that people are searching for in your niche. So maybe people are searching for best Keurig coffee machines, or best coffee machines for beginners, or best cold brew coffee techniques. These are just very small examples of the types of posts that you can write for the best of lists, okay? How-tos. How-tos are very good as well for your audience because this really teaches them things, and these really gives them solutions to questions that they're asking on search engines. They will usually type in how to do something, right, for whatever niche it is. So you want to kind of write these types of posts as well. So like how to make cold brew coffee, how to clean coffee machines, how to brew your first cup of coffee. There's tons of how-tos in any niche, and so that you can really churn out tons of posts just on how-tos. The 4th type of blog post is, of course, product reviews. Product reviews are awesome because your audience is already in the purchasing cycle, okay? When they're actually using product names to do their search, they are ready to buy. So when you are writing about the products that they are searching for, you're going to have a lot of traffic coming to your website doing that by writing about these products. So the types of product reviews you can do is comparison, okay? Like the first type is product A versus product B, okay? And then you could give the pros and cons of each one, and then you could kind of give your own conclusion of what you like. And even though you have 2 products, it doesn't mean that you can't have affiliate links for both products. It doesn't matter if you like both or not. It doesn't matter at all. It's up to the audience, okay? You're just giving them the pros and cons of each, and how the way you present the products, you can influence them one way or another, but people will not listen. Some people will not listen to you anyway and buy the product that they like. So be sure to add your affiliate links no matter what you recommend. And then how does product A work? So if they are interested in a particular product, they want to know if it works or if it's worth it or not. So these types of product focused blog posts will be really good for driving traffic and also converting sales. The fifth type of blog post is answering questions. So is the blog post that answers questions like, is cold brew better than hot brew? How much does a coffee machine cost? What are benefits for cold brew coffee? Like, these are questions that people will be typing to search engines. So you got to think about your audience and what kind of questions they would be asking. And then you just answer them by typing out or writing about them in your blog posts. Now, the very last tip, this ninja tip, is a free tool that will help you get even more and more ideas. Hopefully you never run out of ideas looking at this tool, okay? Let's go check it out. It's a website called Answer the Public. Here it is, answerthepublic.com. And there's this funny guy here. So all you gotta do is in this search box here, you're going to type in your niche idea. So let's say cold brew coffee. And let's see what happens. See, it's running its thing, and then when the data comes, look at this. So look at all this information it comes up about cold brew coffee. Okay, guys. So let's see what happens here. What data they're giving you. Okay, let's check it out. So up top, you can see there's questions, 136 questions that you could be answering on your blog. There are 78 prepositions that you could be writing about, 33 comparisons, and alphabeticals, 501. I think these are maybe keywords. We'll go down there to look in a second, and there's 20 related things. Check out. Okay, so questions. So basically questions, it will go through the question, what, where, like the 5 W's, the usual 5 W's that everybody knows, right? What, where, when, who. What, where, when, who, how, with why. And then there's will, can, how, which, are. So like, what is cold brew coffee Reddit? What is cold brew coffee Dunkin' Donuts? What is cold brew coffee Starbucks? Why drink cold brew coffee? Why cold brew coffee stronger? And will cold brew coffee break a fast? Can cold brew coffee go bad? So these are tons of questions that you could be answering on your blog. Prepositions. Oh, look at this. These are great ideas for your blog posts. Cold brew coffee without ice. Cold brew coffee for weight loss. So for your niche, you can go for whatever your niche is, and then you could also go down to 4 different types of audience. You could do for seniors, for pregnant people, for whatever type of audience that you want to focus on. So like, and you can use with cold brew coffee with foam, with alcohol, with nitrogen, with protein, with cream, with coconut milk. So there's tons of ideas. Comparisons. Cold brew coffee and concentrate. Cold brew coffee, how to serve. Cold brew coffee versus hot coffee, caffeine. Cold brew coffee versus iced latte. And basically cold brew coffee versus all the different types of coffees that you could think of. All right, yeah. So alphabeticals are keywords basically that you can check out. Look at all these keywords that you can use in your blog posts. And then also related, there's 20 related things. Oh, so yeah, cold coffee maker, recipes, cold brew coffee calories, cold brew coffee grounds, cold brew coffee beans. And then from each of these, actually, if you punch in each of these into the front page, you're probably going to get another set of questions and prepositions and comparisons and so forth. So you really can get unlimited ideas to for your affiliate niche site right here on this answerthepublic.com website too. So I really hope you have enjoyed this video about the 5 different types of blog posts that you can use on your affiliate website. And I hope you will want to join me and check out the rest of this video training series that's on my blog, workanywherenow.com. If you have any questions, please ask them below this video on YouTube and I will answer them for sure. And please give me a like if you find this video valuable. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more about affiliate marketing and hit that notification bell so that you can see my next video when my next video comes up. So I hope this has helped you and I'll see you on the next one.